otherwise when they're that great. Right, while they display mini tank madness at the front there, we've got something a little bit bigger on the top. Now this is a Centurion main battle tank. Now this is one of the vehicles that astounds many people when you tell them that it was designed in World War II. It actually entered service just before the end of World War II, but did not see action. They rushed a few of these abroad just to get them in Normandy, so they could make And like I said before, it was the most advanced tank in its day. It's still a pretty good tank. It's been in service almost constantly since that time. When it left service with the British Army and was replaced by the Pt2 tank, other armies already had bought it and others bought our spares. So it went on to carry on its life out in the desert with the Israelis and the Shah of Oman, all these kinds of things. They all had them. And they all still use them. What they did was they modernised bits as and when they needed to. So if the engines became better, they would put different engines in, different armour, different gun sighting systems. But essentially the tanks remained the same. Now that's a good sign that the design was right at the beginning. All of the crews with these vehicles love them. There is not a single Centurion tank crew that don't long to be back in one, even though they are very comfortable, very rudimentary and agricultural in design. But the guy driving that one, who is registered disabled by the way, was a tanker, lived as a tanker, retired, bought the tank, and then carried on being a tanker. Such is the tradition. We're going to do something we like to do is remember fallen heroes. I'm not sure if you're aware, but the last surviving soldier from World War I died yesterday. So what we would like to do is we would like to have 2 minutes silence in the arena.